Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable the AUX purity in your BOSE A30 Aviation headset. At first we need to take the control panel with us and some tool. For example, it can be our nails, but I don't recommend doing that. Here I do have knife, but we have to be very careful with the knives. I do recommend some, for example, SIM card tray opener. And so now we have to open this plastic cover here for the batteries. Now we have to remove the batteries from the inside, because here we do have the controls. As you can see, here we do have BT AUX purity, and here we do have the switch. Let me take this knife here. And let's be very careful. We have to move this BD to AUX, and now we have our AUX purity enabled. And to disable and switch it to Bluetooth, we can move this switch back again. We have to be very careful, as you can see, not to scratch anything, because it's dangerous here doing so. And my nails are too short of doing that. Oh my goodness. It's somehow difficult, you know. So you have to be very careful when switching. Oh good, oh god. Now switch. Now, as you can see, we have switched to DBD back again. I see a little scratch here. Yeah, that's why we have to be careful. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.